What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new gold and silver exploration company to the channel, and that company is called Sierra Madre Gold and Silver. Sierra Madre Gold and Silver is a junior exploration stage company in the mining sector focused on Mexico. They got a really exciting project. We're going to be talking all about that, and they also have a very experienced leadership team and a goal of producing silver in the next couple years. So those are some key points. We're going to go over the company, dive into their website, take a look at the stock, and introduce the company to you guys, which we'll follow that up with an interview, the CEO and COO. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Last but not least, if you do support me, the channel, and all the videos that I put out, kindly hit the like button, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the company. And finally, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Sierra Madre Silver. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the stock chart. The stock is traded on the TSXV Venture under ticker symbol SM. Currently has a market cap of just over $50 million and a 52-week range of 74 cents to $1.07. Recently IPOing, it's only been trading for a couple months now, and it's traded comfortably over the last few weeks, around 80 to 85 cents. Hopefully 80 cents is a level of support. That's what it's looking like, roughly 80, 82 cents. It looks like it's consolidating. You guys know that I'm a heavy gold and silver bull, so if the market picks back up, that might be good for Sierra Madre Silver going forward. So let's head on over to their website for a bit more information on the company. So SierraMadreGoldandSilver.com is their website. You can see right on their website, they have a video about their Tepic project. So that's their flagship asset there in Mexico. And we're going to be going over the recent news. So other recent press releases, on April 15th, Sierra Madre Gold and Silver is pleased to announce that its common shares have been approved for listing on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol SM around April 19th. So they started trading in April. May 11th, Sierra Madre announced commencement of drilling at Tepic. The drilling contractor is Tornado Drilling, with main offices in Sonora. Phase 1 drilling program is scheduled for 21 holes. The company is currently permitted for a total of 67 drill holes. June 18th, they provided an update. The Phase 1 reverse circulation drilling commenced April 15th. The program is budgeted for 2,000 meters in 20 drill holes. Over 80% of the meterage has been drilled, and the main program should be completed next week. All results from Phase 1 drill program will be released when assaying is complete. So, should have some results on the way. Trenching update. The previously announced 2,700 meter Phase 1 trenching program has begun. 2,000 meters are budgeted for the central project area, and location of the first trenches are shown below. So you guys can find all this information in their press releases. Now we're going to dive into their investor presentation to get a better idea of what the company is all about. Sierra Madre Gold and Silver. This is as of June 2021. So why silver? Why now? We know, a lot about gold and silver. I've covered it for quite a while. The interesting thing about silver is it's more than just a store of value of precious metal. There's also many different industrial uses. Macroeconomic backdrop supportive of precious metals. Gold and silver ratio presents buying opportunity. Demand expected to increase, and the supply is tightening. So why Sierra Madre Gold and Silver? Management, valuation, and assets. Management team and board. Track record of project discovery, advancement, and monetization in Mexico and globally. Drill ready. 67 permitted drill holes. First test holes planned for testing Q2 2021. IPO valuation, strong shareholder base and institutional backing, attractive IPO valuation compared to peers. Exploration potential, open at depth, along strike in both directions, multiple other targets. Robust acquisition pipeline, experienced management team with history of successful deal execution in Mexico, have defined multiple near-term acquisition targets. And finally, positive preliminary metallurgical results. Low sulfidation, epithermal gold and silver mineralization close to infrastructure, with an existing historical resource estimation of 7.1 million ounces at 201 grams per ton, plus an inferred resource of 3.1 million ounces at 181 grams per ton silver. So why Mexico? This is some interesting information. In 2019, silver production in terms of millions of ounces, Mexico accounted for 23%. 8 of 15 of the largest silver camps are in Mexico. Over 2+ billion ounces of silver produced in Mexico since 2004. So now we're going to focus on management. And, like I said, management has a very experienced, successful track record Millennial Lithium, Prime Mining, Calibre Mining, and Reyna Silver. We're going to focus primarily on Gregory Liller and Alex Langer, the two fellows who we've interviewed. And that interview will be on the way. So Mr. Liller has more than 40 years experience in exploration and mine development and has been active in the Mexican mining sector since 1993. Bachelor of Geology from Western State College in 1977, he played a key role in the discovery and development of more than 11 million ounces of gold and 600 million ounces of silver combined reserves and resources. He has served as an officer or director of public companies listed on the TSX Venture Exchange, the TSX Main Board, the American Stock Exchange, including Prime Mining, Genco Resources, Gammon Gold, Mex Gold Resources, and Oracle Mining. Over the course of his career, he's played a key role in securing over $300 million in equity financing and $100 million in debt financing. So many years of experience. Now the president, director, and CEO, Alex Langer. Mr. Langer is a successful public market specialist with over 15 years experience. He started his career as an investment advisor with Canaccord Genuity, where he helped fund over 100 private and publicly listed companies, including the IPOs for Endeavour Silver, Fortuna Silver, and Great Panther. Most recently, he was co-founder and vice president of Prime Mining and Millennial Lithium, where he handled capital markets for both companies. He is also a founding director of Reyna Silver and Seashore Resource Partners, now Kingfisher Metals. And then on the board of directors, we have Jorge Ramiro Monroy, which we will also be interviewing for Reyna Silver, founder and managing director of Emerging Markets, a mining-focused investment company based in Hong Kong, which participated in the financing of numerous TSX junior and mid-tier exploration and mining companies. Founder and CEO of Reyna Silver and former director of Prime Mining, Mr. Ramiro holds a bachelor's degree from State University of New York, MBA in finance from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. So, take a look at the rest of the management team. A highly experienced management team with a track record of success. That's one very important aspect of, successful junior exploration companies. It's not everything, but it is a very important aspect. This is all part of, your own personal research and due diligence that you should be doing. Take a look at the asset, take a look at the management team, and then at the end of the day, decide whether it's, a company that you like and want to pursue. So their Tepic project, proximity to infrastructure, lies 22 kilometers, mostly on paved highway from Tepic City, the capital of the state of Nayarit, Mexico, located 15 kilometers from regional airport and 120 kilometers from Puerto Vallarta Airport. Workforce familiar with heavy equipment and mining present in the surrounding area. Tepic project overview. So we're going to focus on the existing historical resource estimation, consisting of an indicated resource of 7.1 million ounces at 201 grams per ton and an inferred resource of 3.1 million ounces at 181 grams per ton silver. Good preliminary metallurgical tests for both gold and silver recoveries. Excellent potential to increase the size of the defined gold and silver mineralized system over 2,800 hectare land package. Tepic exploration potential. Recent exploration indicates strike length potential of over 10 kilometers. Tepic project property hosts an epithermal gold-silver deposit. So over 10 kilometers of mineralized structures identified to date. Several identified zones of mineralization extend over a kilometer with widths up to 200 meters. 31,537 meters of core drilling in 149 holes housed in Sierra Madre's warehouse. Excellent potential to increase the size of the defined gold and silver mineralized system. So here we have some geological surveys of their land packages. Feel free to take a look at these. Here's some very important points to focus on. So what's next? Q3 to Q4 2021, drill remainder of holes up to 67 drill holes, fully permitted. Q4 of 2021, complete the resource estimate. 2022, acquisition of larger assets to increase portfolio of silver ounces. Complete feasibility studies at Tepic. Tight share structure, and large insider ownership. So, Sierra Madre shareholders, retail and high net worth individuals 54.9%, institutions 7.4%, management and founders hold 37.7% of the stock. Use of proceeds, phase 1 and 2 drill program, preparation of resource estimate at Tepic project acquisition and corresponding work programs. And $15 million cash on hand as of June, which is this month when the investor presentation was released. And finally, this is the summary of the project. So proximity to infrastructure, like we said, located 22 kilometers southeast of Tepic City, Nayarit, Mexico, covering 2,612.5 hectares. Identified mineralized zones, exploration already discovered 3 targets that extend over a kilometer and widths up to 200 kilometers. Existing historical resource. In 2020, a technical report prepared in compliance with NI 43-101 estimated that the project contained indicated resource of 1.1 million tons with grades at 144 grams per ton silver and 0.81 grams per ton gold, an inferred resource of 538,000 tons with grades at 122 grams per ton silver and 0.84 grams per ton gold. And finally, excellent geological structures. Hosts a low sulfidation epithermal gold and silver deposit lying within the Sierra Madre geologic province. So guys, that's it for the introduction. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, let me know what you think about the company. Drop those comments down below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I'm out of here. Always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.